Welcome back to the channel where horsepower meets passion and legends are born on four wheels. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we bring you the hottest rides, deepest revs, and the rawest emotion from the road and track. Today, we're diving into the future of American muscle, where tradition meets technology and the result is a beast unlike any Mustang you've ever seen. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang GTD, not just a car, but a street-legal statement of war against the best supercars in the world. The 2026 GTD isn't just another variant in the Mustang family. It's a different breed, forged with the kind of engineering typically reserved for endurance race cars. Born from the DNA of the Mustang GT3 race car and fine-tuned with lessons learned on the world's most challenging circuits. The GTD is Ford's way of saying that American performance can dominate both road and track. Under the hood, you're looking at a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, the target. More than 800 horsepower, that's not a typo. And unlike most supercars that hide behind turbochargers and electric assists, the GTD roars with a visceral, old-school soundtrack that shakes the pavement. Paired with a rear-mounted transaxle and carbon fiber driveshaft, this car achieves a near-perfect 50/50ths weight distribution, which means it handles as fiercely as it accelerates. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, and the GTD sits on a semi-active suspension that can adjust spring rates, damping, and ride height on the fly. In track mode, the car drops by almost 40 millimeters, hugging the asphalt for better aero and sharper handling. This Mustang doesn't just go fast in a straight line, it corners like a predator chasing prey. And speaking of aero, look at this body. Carbon fiber everywhere. Hood, fenders, roof, trunk lid, all crafted for weight savings and performance. You get active aerodynamic elements including an optional hydraulically controlled rear wing and a front splitter that adjusts based on speed. Every curve and vent is functional, sculpted by the wind tunnel to slice through the air and stick this monster to the ground. Inside, the GTD strips away the excess. Recaro seats, titanium paddle shifters, and a digital cockpit remind you this car was made with one thing in mind: performance. There's no rear seat, no plush comforts, just you, the machine, and the road ahead. But it's not completely raw. The GTD still includes a massive touchscreen, PREM, IUM audio, and connectivity tech. Because even race-inspired beasts deserve a touch of modern luxury, now let's talk performance targets. Ford hasn't revealed exact numbers yet, but insiders suggest a Nürburgring lap time under 7 minutes. That's right, the same track where Porsche and Lamborghini rule the leaderboard. Ford isn't just chasing shadows here. They're aiming to beat Europe at its own game. The GTD will be hand-built and extremely limited, with a starting price expected north of $300,000. That's exotic territory, yes, but then again, this isn't just a Mustang, this is Ford's halo car, a technological showcase. And it stands tall among the McLarens, Ferraris, and Porsches of the world. What makes the GTD so special is that it stays true to Mustang spirit, the muscle, the sound, the attitude, while evolving into something truly world-class. It's the kind of car that doesn't just ask for respect, it demands it. And whether you're at a track day or pulling into a cars and coffee meet, heads will turn and jaws will drop. This is more than a muscle car. It's a message. Ford is all in on performance, and they're not just playing to win, they're playing to dominate. Let us know in the comments. Is the 2026 Mustang GTD the best performance car Ford has ever made? Could it actually take down Europe's finest? And if you had the keys, where's the first place you'd drive it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more pulse-pounding reviews, deep dives, and car culture content. This is Trend Cars, where the machines talk back. See you in the next one.